Hey, welcome back to Quiz Time. Get ready to jump into a mega emoji challenge. Guess the food by the emoji. We've got 20 tricky puzzles waiting for you, and you'll only have 10 seconds to solve each one. Nail it and grab a point every time. All right, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for non-stop quiz fun. And in 3, 2, 1, let's play. Pizza! That's a slice of success right there. Let's see if you can handle the next one. Burger! That's a stacked answer. Nicely done. Can you keep the streak going? Sandwich! You really layered that one perfectly. All right, here comes the next challenge. Pasta! You absolutely twirled your way to the right answer. Let's see what you get next. Fried rice. That's a sizzling good guess. Ready for the next one? Biryani. Now that's a spicy correct answer. Let's spice things up with the next one. Lasagna! That was layered brilliance. Think you can get the next one too? Salad! That's a fresh win. Let's keep it healthy and move on. Soup! That's a warm and cozy correct answer. All right, next one is coming up. Curry! That's a spicy victory. Let's heat things up with the next one. Pancakes. That's a flipping great guess. Let's stack up the next one. Waffles. You really pressed the right answer. Ready for more brain food? Ice cream sundae. That's a sweet victory. Let's scoop up the next one. Spaghetti bolognese. That's a saucy success. Let's pasta on to the next one. Milkshake. That's a smooth win. Let's blend into the next one. Smoothie! That's a fresh and healthy guess. Here comes the next brain teaser. Hot dog! That's a sizzling correct answer. Let's see if you can keep it hot. Nachos! That's a cheesy win. Can you crunch the next one too? Dumplings! That's a tasty win right there. Let's see what's next on the menu. Spring rolls. That's a fresh wrap of genius. The end.